Welcome back to Cars Binge. Today, we're checking out one of the most awaited trucks of the year, the 2026 Toyota Tundra. Toyota has gone all in with this redesign, and it's clear the new Tundra is built to impress. From its bold, aggressive front grille to the sleek new LED lighting and sculpted body lines, the 2026 Tundra looks tougher and more modern than ever. It rides on Toyota's proven TNGAF platform, the same architecture that supports the new Land Cruiser, so you know it's built to handle serious abuse. With upgrades in design, structure, and performance, Toyota isn't just offering an update here, they're delivering a full-scale evolution. But how does it all come together in the real world? Let's break it down. Step inside the 2026 Tundra and you'll immediately notice a more refined, comfortable space. Toyota clearly listened to feedback, because the cabin now strikes a great balance between rugged functionality and upscale features. Higher trims get premium materials, contrast stitching, and even a panoramic sunroof, making the Tundra feel almost like a luxury SUV. The centerpiece is the massive 14-inch touchscreen, fast, intuitive, and now supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a fully digital gauge cluster and a head-up display for added convenience. Rear passengers get more space too, and overall insulation has improved, making this Tundra one of the quietest in its class. It's a cabin designed for both work and weekend getaways. Under the hood, the 2026 Tundra continues to pack serious power. The base engine remains a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6, but now with refined tuning for better efficiency and smoother power delivery. For those who want even more punch, the iForce Max hybrid system is back, offering a combined output of up to 437 horsepower and 583 lb-ft of torque. Whether you're towing a trailer, loading up for a road trip, or hitting the trails, this powertrain delivers. The 10-speed automatic transmission has also been refined, offering crisp and confident shifts. Plus, Toyota has improved battery cooling in the hybrid, ensuring consistent performance even under heavy loads or hot conditions. On the road, the 2026 Tundra surprises with its smooth ride and confident handling. Thanks to its updated suspension and the optional adaptive dampers, the truck feels composed over bumps and rough pavement, while still maintaining its rugged personality. Steering is more responsive than before, giving the driver more confidence whether cruising on the highway or maneuvering through city streets. For long hauls, features like adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and improved cabin insulation make the drive easy and comfortable. Off the pavement, the TRD Pro variant still dominates, with specialized Fox shocks, skid plates, and advanced terrain management systems that make it a beast on rough trails. So, what's our final take on the 2026 Toyota Tundra? It's bold, powerful, and packed with smart tech, a true evolution of the nameplate. Toyota has done a great job combining the strength and durability you expect from a Tundra with the comfort, tech, and versatility modern buyers demand. Whether you're looking for a dependable work truck or a capable off-road adventure vehicle, this new Tundra hits all the right notes. It's a serious rival to the Ford F-150 and Ram 1500, and it might just be the best Tundra yet. Thanks for tuning into Cars Binge. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts on the 2026 Tundra in the comments below.